once you're tumbling back through time, like Alice you're lost, or maybe now you'll find a whole new world appears through a looking glass, a new way to see, and you'll never be the same. Then the rabbit heard